In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and edit the opening balance transaction in your chart of accounts. This is a vital part of ensuring your accounting records are accurate and reliable, helping you maintain control over your financial processes. Now let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your chart of accounts. This is typically found within the accounting section of your software. Think of the chart of accounts as a comprehensive list of all the accounts you're using to organize your financial data. From your assets and liabilities to income and expenses, this tool is essentially the backbone of your financial setup. To get started, find and open the specific account for which you want to adjust the opening balance. Once there, look for a feature labeled Open Register or something similar. This is where you will see the full list of transactions associated with the account. By opening the register, you gain insight into how funds have moved in and out, and this is crucial for making accurate entries and adjustments. After accessing the register, locate the transaction that represents the opening balance. This is typically the first entry in the list and is crucial as it sets the starting point for all future financial data in that account. If you cannot see the opening balance transaction right away, don't worry. Many programs allow you to filter or sort transactions by date, so make sure to utilize these features if needed. Once you've found the right transaction, it's time to edit it. Click Edit or a similar option to begin your adjustments. It's important to handle this step with care, as altering the opening balance affects all subsequent calculations and reports. Double-check the figures against your actual starting balances or any financial statements you're referencing. This is where having accurate and organized records pays off, as it ensures your updated balance aligns with your financial reality. As you make changes, keep in mind the broader impact. Adjusting opening balances can affect reconciliations and financial statements, so it's important to document any changes you make and why. Make a note of these adjustments either within your accounting software or separately, so you have a clear track record for future reference or audits. Once you've confirmed that everything is correctly adjusted, go ahead and save the updated transaction. Take a moment to review the entire register to ensure everything aligns with these new changes. This step of reviewing is often overlooked, but is vital in maintaining the integrity of your accounts. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully edited the opening balance transaction in your chart of accounts. Regular maintenance and checks of your financial records keep everything running smoothly and ensure that you're always working with up-to-date information. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting!